Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. I started thinking about it as I was loading that other video. You've got a hairline drawn. If you want this line to be 0.34 and we just contoured it and made it, you could go here to your pen tool, double click on your, and change this to inches. And then type in 0.34. Now the only difference, well, you could still do it. Let's back up here. Let's put rounded corners on this. Rounded, we'll have to type in that number again. So if there's a number that doesn't show, you can just type it in, 0.134. And now I'm picking rounded corners. And hit OK. You get the exact same thing. If you left click, well, if you go to object and turn this outline into an object and then left click, right click, and then you grab your parallel dimension tool, 0.34. So this way you wouldn't even have to fill it in. It's already an engravable line and just turn it black. Exactly the same. I'll tell you what, let's test it. Let's make one of them blue. And let's move this out of the way. I always like doing this. And then select, let's get rid of that. Select both these and hit P, put it in the center of the page. They're 100% identical because the black's not showing. We can change our nudge factor 0.01 and move one of them 0.01, and now you can start seeing the black. That's how good they are. Anyway, there's always two ways at least. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.